government is improving public transportation. The government is improving public transportation. Global trade shapes the world economy. Global trade shapes the world economy. Effective leadership requires communication and vision. Effective leadership requires communication and vision. A balanced diet is essential for good health. A balanced diet is essential for good health. Technology has transformed modern life. Technology has transformed modern life. Cultural differences impact international relationships. Cultural differences impact international relationships. Education technology creates personalized learning. Education technology creates personalized learning. Tourism boosts many countries' economies. Tourism boosts many countries' economies. Customer satisfaction drives company success. Customer satisfaction drives company success. Sustainable energy combats climate change. Sustainable energy combats climate change.
Time management is essential for achieving goals. Time management is essential for achieving goals. Higher education focuses on practical skills. Higher education focuses on practical skills. The internet revolutionized how we share information. The internet revolutionized how we share information. Climate change is a global challenge. Climate change is a global challenge. Healthcare advancements save lives. Healthcare advancements save lives. Valued employees are more productive. Valued employees are more productive. Communication is key for project success. Communication is key for project success. Environmental conservation protects natural resources. Environmental conservation protects natural resources. Green technologies benefit businesses and the environment. Green technologies benefit businesses and the environment. Renewable energy is in high demand. Renewable energy is in high demand.
Digital marketing engages customers. Digital marketing engages customers. Governments invest in renewable energy. Governments invest in renewable energy. Continuous learning ensures professional growth. Continuous learning ensures professional growth. Work-life balance promotes productivity. Work-life balance promotes productivity. Public health campaigns raise awareness. Public health campaigns raise awareness. Social media transforms communication. Social media transforms communication. The job market is becoming competitive. The job market is becoming competitive. Sustainable farming ensures food security. Sustainable farming ensures food security. Collaboration leads to innovative solutions. Collaboration leads to innovative solutions. International cooperation solves global issues. International cooperation solves global issues.
AI is changing business operations. AI is changing business operations. Online shopping has changed retail. Online shopping has changed retail. Flexible work hours are increasingly popular. Flexible work hours are increasingly popular. Emotional intelligence is important in leadership. Emotional intelligence is important in leadership. Governments are reducing carbon emissions. Governments are reducing carbon emissions. Business success depends on customer needs. Business success depends on customer needs. Digital literacy is a crucial skill. Digital literacy is a crucial skill. Education systems are evolving. Education systems are evolving. Smart cities offer better sustainability. Smart cities offer better sustainability. Global research collaboration tackles health crises. Global research collaboration tackles health crises.